This is Visable Tech channel. Welcome again to this channel. Today we're going to see how to design torsion spring. I'll see in the screen how I design it. Now let's start by opening new part. Now select top plane, number 2, and then go to sketch, select the circle. Let's give dimension 100 millimeter. Now select OK, exit sketch. Now go to the features, select curve and then select the helix and spiral. Now select this circle. You see how it will look like. Yes. Now select for defined by, have to choose height and pitch. This is the constant pitch. Now height, let's give 150 millimeters. Pitch on 50. Now start angle, let's remain with 0, that is right. Now let's click OK. Now yes, after this one, let's click also on top plane and then number 2. Now go to sketch, select center point arc. Let's start by here. Call center point arc. Now select this point and the center must be vertical at this point. Center, make the relation of vertical. Now let's give dimension for 50 millimeters. You see. Now let's exit sketch. Now select light plane. Now go to sketch, select center point arc. Let's start by here. Okay, now this is center point arc. Now let's give a dimension. Give 50 millimeters. Now from this point on the center, make sure that it have a vertical position. this point, this one, okay, horizontal, this one, this point must be vertical. Now let's, yeah, now we see the position that you have. Now exit sketch. Okay, after exit sketch, come on features. Now select cubes. Now select project cube. Select this sketch and this also. You see now another sketch that is it. Okay, now click OK. You see the position that you have. After this one, let's click on front plane normal tool. Then go to sketch, select center point arc. This center point arc. Now select this point. Make sure that this is vertical, this is center. Now let's give it dimension. This must be 50 millimeters. From this point up to the center must be 50 millimeters or so. Now this point at this center must be horizontal. Yes. This point also, let's give 50. Okay. Now click this point and this center and this point. Now let's give 25 degrees. Okay, now let's exit sketch. You see now the shape we get. Okay, now let's go to top plane and then go to the feature reference geometry. Let's select new plane. Now for distance, let's put 150 millimeters. Okay, now click OK. Now let's sketch. Click on plane 1. This is plane 1 and the Control 8. Control 8 for normal. Now let's select center point arc. Now let's come to here. Select this point and the center must be vertical direction. Click this point and this center must be vertical. Now give a direction for this arc, must be 50. Okay. Let's see how it should look like. Now exit sketch. Now select the light plane, normal 2. Let's make this plane hidden. Now select light plane normal 2. Okay, now select, go to the center point arc. Okay, now select this point and this point. And yes, this one. Let's give a dimension. Take this point and this point, make a vertical projection. Now this point for this one from this point, the center must have vertical position. Okay, this will have 50, that is right. Cancel. Now let's see the position I have. Now exit sketch. Come to the feature, select cubes. Now let's project the cube. Now after this one, let's select this sketch. Select the sketch. You see another sketch. Now let's click OK. Now select front plane, number 2. Now go to sketch, select center point arc. Okay. Now click at this point. This one must be horizontal position. And this point at this center must be horizontal vertical position. Okay, now for select the plane one. Now go to sketch from this point. It must be okay. Now select this point and this must have 50. Okay. Now let's select this point and this point. Now come on this point and select the center. Now make sure that you have 50. You see now the point has already fixed. Now let's click this point, the center, and this point also. I have 1.5 meters slope. Okay, now let's exit sketch. You see, let's hide in this plane. Now you see how the shapes look like. Now come on the features, select curves. Now let's select composite curves. Select all this sketch. One. You want to make one component as one component. Select this. Select. Now click OK. You see how it look like. Now we're going to make what we call sweeped base, sweeped boss or base. Now let's click here. Yes, you have to click on circular profile. You see now get how the spring are. Now we can change the diameter. Let's put 1.15 millimeters. Now you see and click OK. Now we see this is the spring. Now for this one we can use another way. Let's come back. Can come to sweeped boss. Now let's select Go to use, let's select top plane. Now come on the reference geometry, select the plane. Now let's click on this point, this sketch. Okay, now you see get the another plane, click OK. Now for this plane, then select normal tool. Now select the circle, sketch the circle on this point. I give a dimension for 15 millimeters. So okay. Now select this point, the center, and make sure that is connected on this point. Now let's use it like this one. Okay. You see this already. Now let's click this shape. Now let's edit the sketch. Let's exit sketch. Now go to the feature and select the boss. Have to select now. Now we're gonna use sketch profile. Let's click on this sketch and click this one also. You see now the spring are. Now see the spring is already. Now let's click on this plane hidden and this sketch also. Let's click hidden. You see now how it is look like. Now select this face. Now come, let's use insert features. Now come on what we call DOM. You see this point. Let's click use 5. Okay. Let's select this face also. Now come to insert features. Now select DOM. You see now what does it look like. Now click OK. Now let's come here, let's select plane white. That is the spring. For better appearing, now can change the color. Let's come on the body. Let's select this color. Now click OK. Now you see the spring is already. Now let's now click send save. After to complete this one, can save. See, let's click on save. Yes, this is a spring now. Okay, let's save. This is spring. Let's see, give it the name spring 1. and save. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Remember to click on subscribe, like, share, and comment. Welcome for next video. Thank you.